Hi everyone, welcome to Montana International Preschool. I play a role of a center head, that is a center manager, and my role basically is a bit of supervisory role as well as I play a role of a liaison between the parent families and parent communities as well as my staff. Basically, as a supervisory role, I would say I would look into the classroom setups along with the curriculum as well as the way the curriculum is delivered to the children and the teaching learning practices happening in the classrooms. So, apart from that, also as soon as the child comes in, a very vital role is played by the teachers, and as soon as the child is registered with the school, that's when the role of a teacher begins. In fact, teachers here uh, believe that they are facilitators. They help the children to nurture their minds. Also, they help the children to bring out the talents in them, appreciate them, and make every child feel wanted at our school. And also, along with that, the main crux or the base of a preschool lies in the parents. I believe that happy children make satisfied parents. So, if the children are happy in a preschool, of course, the parents are going to feel happy and they are going to feel satisfied as well. At our preschool, we involve maximum number of parents, be it events, be it celebrations, some incursions where parents come in, share their experiences, as well as excursions. So we want maximum parent involvement at our preschool. And also, when parents, teachers, all of us are involved together, it does make a difference in a child's life. And I also believe that when children are nurtured properly, that's where you can see a difference in them, which happens in our preschools. We have a huge area in our preschools which help the children to explore, investigate, experiment, and also help in in the learning process. So that is where I think my vision and my aim for Montana would be that I want each and every child to develop into individuals who are able to solve problems in life and who bloom and who blossom at our preschool. And it is said that children speak in 100 languages. So that is done at our preschool where the teachers, in fact, for example, be it their body language, be it their non-verbal communication, or the words that they speak, the teachers try and understand all that they, in whichever way they communicate in the school. And the teachers take that interest forward and help the child to bloom and nurture at our preschool. So yes, my aim would be to reach maximum number of people so that they know about Montana, and of course that they would take interest in what we do here, in how our teaching and learning process is. So basically, I would just like to say, and I believe in this, that everything you do with a child, and whenever and wherever you come in contact with the child, their education starts from there. So yes, that's all about Montana that I can say, and I'm thankful and I love working here, and I'm proud to be a part of the Montana family. And I truly believe that Montana helps every child grow to the fullest and to the best capacity. Thank you. This is just very little that I have said about Montana, and I also suggest you to visit our website for more details and for more information about our activities and the different classes that we have at our preschool. And I would like if you all contact our preschool so that we can make a difference in your child's lives too.